New project over in Isha. Now this project, as you can see, we've just started stripping a bit of it out. This was a lot higher. This was coming in at this height, the same height as concrete. And as you can see, there are some existing granite sets in around the perimeter. We've got some existing drainage. We're going to put some slabs by the front door, slab tiles. We're going to put some planters around there, and we are going to break this out, and we're going to drop this down about 450 mil. So this is right going down, and we're going to create a new argent stroke sienna stroke driveway. The client's undecided yet. They will make a decision on the block. It's going to be a block paved driveway, and we are going to, this is going to be awesome. We've got a brick wall going over here as well. So we're going to show you some of the progress as we go along, and how we do it, and what we do, and why. And you are going to see at the end of it an absolutely phenomenal driveway installation. Got the knot out, got a grab up, got a load gone, and then we cleared it, we got another load out. So the project over in Surrey has been completed. So we have installed this beautiful Tobermoor Sienna driveway with mixed sizes. This is a duo block. There's a graphite border. There is a multi-stock yellow stock brick wall around the perimeter for the planters to hold it in this beautiful bit of vegetation. We've got recessed manhole cover. Look at the amazing mitre cuts you've got here. Look over here. Look straight down a mitre, the bisecting point where two angles collide. Granite set border, drainage. We've also in here, we've got more drainage, and the reason why is there's a downstairs basement, and the client wanted extra protection so that there was no moisture that could potentially go down into the basement. So we've got a beautiful pathway down here. This pathway, as you can see, is beautiful porcelain tiles. They've been grouted with a Frugabella grout, and there is a dried aggregate 1 to 5 mil that has been used down the side to soften the blow of the edge. As you can see down here, we have continued the pavings. Fine gentleman was over here installing this. We have got a limestone step detail which runs across through here. May I put his sheet back out for him, and obviously that runs into another granite set detail which goes around the perimeter. We've got the drainage, we've got another recessed manhole cover, and more drainage around the underside of the home. And this beautiful porcelain area, piece of resistance down the side of your home. We have got this gravel border, protective aggregate border, because these were slightly in and out. So we've cut a really nice straight line. So that just takes your eye off of it, and it just it softens the blow. And look, we've got recessed manhole cover, more planters. We've got these fantastic laurel bushes that have been installed. Look at that planter, look at it. And again, the granite set board around the front, the crossover's just been done, so that got done in sync with the driveway. We've got a triple granite set border at both entrances. This is now an in and out driveway, which will just be fun for many years to come. I mean, they can just have fun, again, going in and out and in and out on this driveway. I mean, you know, pick your opening, pick your entrance. So, if you like what you see and you would like us to have a look at your project, then please get in touch via Facebook, Instagram, Checkatrade, Google, and look, just get in touch. And also, please, if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. Really helps us with videos. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you very much.